Hello, welcome. This is Why Past Question Literature in English, year 2019. Question number 3 says, he is a citizen of no miss city. Illustrate. So, the literary term for this statement: A, we have what we call battles. B, we have effeminacy. C, we have metonymy. D, we have litotes. The correct answer here is the litotes, because litote is an understatement. The meaning of this expression is that he is a citizen of a big city, or of a large city, or a great city. So it is an understatement, and the literary word for understatement is what we call litote. Therefore, D is the correct option. Thank you. Kindly continue to subscribe to our YouTube, and God bless you.